In this review, I wanted to show off some of the editing skills I've picked up so far. Since I decided to make this one an ASMR style video, I didn't need or want to add a lot of text or effects. I just wanted to focus on the sounds of the cooking itself. It actually made the whole process much easier, and I really enjoy videos like that. There's something relaxing about just hearing the food cook, the chopping, the sizzling without too many distractions on screen. I know this channel is kind of a learning space as I grow, but I'm still figuring out what works best, both for me and for my audience. Should I walk you through each step, or just cook and let you follow along at your own pace? I'm experimenting with both styles right now to see what feels natural and what you all enjoy watching the most. Most of the editing I did for this video was focused on volume control, speeding up and slowing certain clips down, just like I'm doing here. It helps reduce background noise while keeping the satisfying, sizzling sounds front and center. I also cut out a few clips that felt a little too long, like here, just to keep the video moving at a nice, steady pace. I also tried to pay more attention to camera angles this time, getting those close-up shots of the sauce and pasta so it really pulls you in. It's little details like that I want to keep improving as I go. I'm realizing each video teaches me something new, not just about editing or filming, but about patience and creativity too. Every time I sit down to record, I find new ways to make the process smoother and more enjoyable. It's definitely a journey, but I'm proud of the progress so far. There's just something about cooking videos that feel calming. No rush, no pressure, just food coming together. I love creating that kind of atmosphere where you can unwind and enjoy the process right along with me. That about wraps up this Cozy Corner review. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks for spending a few cozy minutes with me, and I'll see you next time.